Okay, what if I told you an AI could do more than just answer your questions? I mean, what if it could actually go out, find the problems people are struggling with online, learn the official correct solution, and then write a complete expert level article to solve it for everyone? Well, that's not sci-fi anymore. It's a real system from Google, and we're about to break down exactly how it works. So first, the system kind of puts on its detective hat. It scans developer forums like Reddit, and it's basically hunting for those technical questions that are really trending. The problems that have the community totally stumped.
But here's the absolutely critical part. Instead of just, guessing an answer like some AIs do, it dives straight into the official Google Cloud documentation. It goes right to the source of truth to find the correct up-to-date solution. This is the secret sauce for how it avoids making things up. No AI hallucinations, just verified facts. And the final result? Well, it's not just a little code snippet. We're talking a complete, professionally written blog post, and get this, it even comes with a custom-generated infographic. Just think about that for a second. From a random question on Reddit to a fully published, illustrated article, all done completely on its own.
Yeah, that's the big question, right? How in the world do you get an AI to perform such a complex, end-to-end task like a real expert? Well, that's exactly what we're about to dive into. All right, let's pull back the curtain. The system that's doing all this magic is called DevSignal, and it's a perfect example of this next wave of AI. These aren't just chatbots. They're systems designed to do a specific, expert job from start to finish. The whole process really breaks down into 5 key stages. It all starts with discovery, which is all about finding the right problem. Then comes grounding, where it does its homework and researches the facts. Creation is next, actually drafting the article. Then you get the multimodal generation to create that cool visual. And finally, memory, which is amazing. It lets the system learn from feedback and get better over time. So how does it juggle all those different steps? Well, the secret isn't one single giant superbrain AI. The real breakthrough here is using a team of specialized AIs that all work together, just like on an assembly line. This whole setup is what's called a multi-agent system. And that assembly line idea really is the perfect way to picture it. You have one agent that's an expert scout. Its only job is to find questions. It passes its notes to a researcher agent, who's like a master librarian. That agent then hands off the verified facts to a writer agent. Each AI is a specialist, just doing its one job really, really well and passing the work down the line. But, that creates a huge technical problem, doesn't it? How do you get all these different AIs, plus all these external tools and services like Reddit, to all talk to each other without it becoming a total mess? The answer is actually a surprisingly elegant and, honestly, groundbreaking piece of technology. The developers basically built a universal adapter for AI. It's a single, common language that lets any AI agent talk to any tool or any service out there. It's called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. And that USB analogy, that's the perfect way to get it. I mean, remember before USB, you had a different plug for your keyboard, your mouse, your printer. It was a complete nightmare. MCP does for AI what USB did for all our hardware. It creates one standard plug for everything. And this just shows you what a night and day difference it makes. On the left, that's the old way. This chaotic mess of custom, brittle code for every single tool. It's a total headache to maintain. But on the right, you've got the MCQ way. It's clean. It's organized. Tools become plug and play, which means developers can easily add, remove, or swap them out because they all speak that same standard language. Okay, so we've got our team of agents, and they can all talk to each other thanks to MCP. So what specific tools does this DevSignal AI team actually use to get the job done? First up, the Reddit tool. This is the team's ear to the ground. It uses MCTP to just plug right into Reddit's API, and it's constantly listening for what real-world problems developers are running into right now.
Next up is the Developer Knowledge Tool. Now, this one is maybe the most important tool in the whole box. It gives the agent a direct line to the entire library of official Google Cloud Docs. It's what grounds the AI's answers in reality and stops it from just making stuff up.
And finally, you've got the artist on the team. It's a custom-built image generation tool that the developers kind of hilariously named Nano Banana Pro. With just a simple text prompt, it can generate a unique infographic. It's a great example of how MCP can connect not just to big public APIs, but also to your own custom in-house scripts. So the most exciting part of this whole story isn't just DevSignal itself. It's that this wasn't some one-off experiment. It was built using a set of publicly available tools that you yes, you can use to build your own expert AI agents. And here are the key building blocks from the Google ecosystem that make it happen. You've got the Agent Development Kit, or ADK. That's the basic framework. You've got MCP, that universal adapter we just talked about. Vertex AI is the service that gives your agent long-term memory so it can learn from experience. And finally, Cloud Run is the platform that lets you deploy the whole thing and bring it to life. Which brings us to the final, and I think the most important question. We've just seen an AI team that can act as an expert content creator. But if you use the same playbook, this idea of a multi-agent system connected by a universal adapter, what expert role would you automate? A tireless market researcher? A hyper-efficient project manager? Maybe a personal financial analyst? The toolkit is here. The real question is, what are we all going to build with it?